If you're a parent, here's a question worth asking. Do you actually know what's in the water your baby drinks every day? Most parents believe that tap water is clean. But guess what? That's not true. Here's what we found. The test at Superior Water Purification, we collected a sample of regular city tap water and ran a basic home water test. Nothing extreme, nothing dramatic. The results showed elevated hardness minerals, including calcium and magnesium. That's not dangerous for your body, but it is harmful for you in the long run. Your baby's skin might feel dry and itchy, and it's certainly not healthy for their body. We also detected a high quantity of chlorine in the water, which municipalities use to disinfect and safely transport the water. However, it doesn't disappear once it reaches your tap. The water we get in our taps is considered safe for consumption, not healthy. It won't make you sick tomorrow, but it will take a toll on your health in the long run. Why this happens? Babies are smaller and more sensitive compared to adults. Their immune systems and cells aren't as developed as ours, which makes them more vulnerable to disease. When they drink or use hard water, it affects their bodies and makes them sick. Now, this doesn't mean you have to panic. Call a professional, get your water tested, and if it has a high quantity of chlorine content and hardness, get a water purifier or softener installed. This small step will protect your baby from harmful chemicals and promote a healthy immune system. A quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your pediatrician regarding infant feeding and health decisions. Have you ever tested the water in your home? What were the results? Comment below.